The platform chain, aka the P chain, is where validators and delegators stake to secure the Avalanche network. It is also where subnets are created and tracked. The P chain Explorer is a key tool to help navigate on-chain activity to get detailed, comprehensive info on staking, rewards distributions, and live validators. The following and more will be available in the P chain Explorer: block details, transaction info, address and UTXO details, specific validator and delegator transaction info, subnet creation and staking info, and cross-chain atomic transaction details. Here are the steps to use the P chain Explorer. Once you navigate to subnets.avax.network, an overview of the P chain will appear. Once you're on the Explorer section, it will display the network token, which is Avalanche, the current price as well as the 24-hour price action, the total market cap for AVAX, as well as the 24-hour volume. If you scroll down, it gives you a general overview of the latest block as well as the latest blocks in real time, and you can access view all blocks by clicking here, as well as the latest transactions with a little overview in real time, and you can click into view all TXs. If you scroll down, you can access the chain info, and even further, it will display a description of the P chain. If you'd like to view the block details, you can click view all blocks, where you can click into a block number, and it will display more information there for you. If you navigate back to the Explorer home and you click view all TXs, this will open up an active view of what's currently happening, and you can open a TX hash here where it will display more info for you, showing the transaction details as well as the input and output. When you're on the P chain Explorer, in the upper right hand corner, you can also use the search bar to search for all subnets, TX hashes, block ID, addresses, or tokens. If you paste a P chain address in there, it will give you an overview where you can see the UTXO overview as well as UTXOs. It will tell you if it's spendable or staked, as well as the value and the date, and you can see those TXs there. If you'd like more information about a node, you can paste the node ID here and open up the validator. It will show you if it's active, how long the duration is for the stake, when it started and when it will end, as well as its progress. You can see the total stake number, the owned stake, as well as the delegator stake, how many delegators there are, as well as the delegation fee, and where the payout address is. Below, you'll see the validation history. This will show you the duration of previous stakes, whether or not they were completed, or if they are currently active. One thing that's really great about the P chain Explorer is that if you click in to get more information, either on a block or on a TX, all of the information can be hovered over to get a detailed overview of exactly what's happening. You can also copy TX hashes as well as other addresses easily from within the P chain Explorer view. If you have any additional questions about the P chain Explorer and how to use it, please reach out to support.avax.network, and an Ava Labs team member would be happy to assist you.